Hi there, and welcome to today's video. Today, we're talking about fractions. Fractions are everywhere, and once you get the hang of them, they're really easy to work with. So let's dive in. What is a fraction? A fraction is a way of showing a part of something, or a number of parts of something. Now, every fraction has two parts. One, the numerator. That's the top number, and it tells us how many parts we're dealing with. Two, the denominator. That's the bottom number, and it tells us the total number of equal parts the whole is divided into. Example 1. Let's take a circle, and imagine we've divided it into two equal parts. Now, what fraction would represent the left part? The numerator is the number of parts we're focusing on. In this case, one part. The denominator is the total number of equal parts the circle is divided into, which is 2. So the fraction for the left part is 1 over 2, also known as a half. And what about the right part? Again, it's one part out of two equal parts, so the fraction is also 1 over 2. Example 2. Now let's divide our circle into 4 equal parts. Let's look at the left section, which includes 3 parts. The numerator is 3 because we're talking about 3 parts. The denominator is 4 because the whole circle is divided into 4 equal parts. So the fraction for the left part is 3 over 4. Now, what about the remaining part on the right? The numerator is 1 because it's just one part. The denominator is still 4 since the whole circle is divided into 4 parts. So the fraction for this part is 1 over 4, also known as a quarter. Example 3. Your turn. Imagine a circle divided into 8 equal parts, with some parts on the left and some on the right. Let's start with the left section, which has 5 parts. What's the numerator? That's right, 5. And the denominator? Yes, h, because the circle is divided into 8 equal parts. So the fraction for the left section is 5 over 8. Now for the right section, which has 3 parts. The numerator is 3 and the denominator stays the same, 8. The fraction for the right section is 3 over 8. Great work. Quick recap. Here's what we've learned. A fraction represents a part of something or a number of parts. Every fraction has 1, a numerator, top number, which tells us how many parts we're dealing with. 2, a denominator, bottom number, which tells us how many equal parts the whole is divided into. And that's it. You've got the basics of fractions. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more clear and simple lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.